Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to show you a lovely card you can make with the Ornate Thanks stamp set and the Ornate Layers dies. Now these are all part of the Ornate Garden Suite, which is one of my favorites in the new catalog. And I just love all the amazing sentiments in this Ornate Thanks stamp set. As you can see, you can customize your exact sentiment using these beautiful stamps. And then these dies that coordinate are absolutely lovely with so much detailing, and you can just create gorgeous, gorgeous cards. So I'm going to show you one of them today. I love that you can use these stamps in different combinations to customize exactly what sentiment you want to express. Here are a few combinations I came up with. And for this card, we're also using the stunning Ornate Garden Specialty Designer Series paper. So the measurements are a card base of 5.5 by 8.5, a matte layer of 4 by 5.25, and then you'll need 3 pieces of DSP. They're each cut to 3 3/4 inches by 1 5/8 inches. And then you'll also need some scrap white and colored cardstock to create the die cut shapes for the front of the card. I'm using Bumblebee cardstock to coordinate with the Ornate Garden DSP. Now for your DSP, you could choose to use 3 different pieces of DSP, which is what I'm doing because I'm using up some little scraps, or you could use 3 all the same, and you'd get some different looks. And of course, each of these papers has gorgeous patterns on the back as well, so it's always hard to choose which you're going to use. And your first step is that you're going to line up these 3 pieces of DSP onto your matte layer, and you can go ahead and attach that and attach it to your card base. For the die cutting, I'm using these 2 pieces from the Ornate Borders dies. I'm going to cut this one in white and this one in Bumblebee. And I'm going to use my die brush tool to get out all the little bits in between here. Now I just need to choose the sentiments to stamp on this white piece. I'm going to use Early Espresso and Old Olive ink. Now I'm ready to assemble my card. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. During the COVID pandemic, I'm not offering in-person classes, but you can sign up for Creativity to Go, which means once a month you'll get prepared supplies and tutorials delivered right to your door for you to complete on your own schedule. I am also hosting casual Zoom crafting sessions where you can bring any project you happen to be working on and enjoy a fun social crafting time with others. Once COVID is over, I will once again be hosting in-person classes. If you're watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page under Inky Fingers Papercrafting, where you can join a weekly creative challenge and win a prize from me. And if you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. If you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your own online party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'. Bye!